So today we will discuss about anatomical snuff box. It's an important clinical region. Here is a picture of anatomical snuff box. Now the definition of anatomical snuff box. It's a triangular depression formed on the posterior lateral side of the wrist and metacarpal one. Boundaries of anatomical snuff box. The anterior or lateral border. It is formed by the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. The abductor pollicis longus is a diagram of the abductor pollicis longus. It has origin on the posterior surface of ulna and radius, and it inserts onto the base of the metacarpal one. That's our metacarpal one, and that's the base of metacarpal one. The abductor pollicis longus it is present below the supinator muscle, so that's the point to remember. Now the medial or the posterior border, it is formed by the extensor pollicis longus. Here is the extensor pollicis longus tendon. Here is shown in the diagram. The floor of the anatomical snuff box, it is formed by the scaphoid and trapezium. So here it can be a question, what bones forms the floor of the anatomical snuff box? So scaphoid and trapezium. And the floor is also formed by the distal ends of tendons of extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis, plus the styloid process of radius. Now, the roof of anatomical snuff box, it is formed by the skin containing the superficial branch of the radial nerve and the cephalic vein. Contents of anatomical snuff box, radial artery. It contains radial artery, passes obliquely through the anatomical snuff box, and it lies deep to the extensor tendons of thumb and lies adjacent to scaphoid and trapezium. Now, it is an important paragraph from our Gray's Anatomy. It tells us that the anatomical snuff box is an important clinical region. When the hand is in ulnar deviation, this is the diagram of ulnar deviation. The scaphoid becomes palpable within the snuff box. Palpable means touchable. The position enables the physician to palpate the bone to assess for a fracture. So this is the clinical importance of anatomical snuff box. And plus the pulse of the radial artery can also be felt in the snuff box. Now here is a more elaborated diagram of the anatomical snuff box. It shows about the abductor pollicis longus, the extensor pollicis brevis, and the extensor pollicis longus. These are the three tendons which needs to be remembered. Thank you.